Hi everyone and welcome to ToyLabTV. Today I'm going to show you more new toys from Disney's movie Planes, Fire and Rescue. These are 3 smoke jumpers who are going to help put out a forest fire in just a few minutes. But first we have to take them out of the box. Our first smoke jumper is named Drip. He has kind of a bulldozer claw thing in front and the number 36 on top. Next is Blackout. He has a saw that cuts through the trees in the forest to help clear logs out of the way. His number is 25. And last but not least is Avalanche. He's the biggest of the 3 smoke jumpers and a bulldozer that kind of comes in and pushes away the flaming logs. His number is 55. All 3 smoke jumpers are mostly die-cast with some plastic parts. And the wheels roll pretty good. These fearless firefighters are going to go put out a forest fire in just a minute. But first they've got to catch a ride in the cargo hold of Cabbie, the big cargo plane. If we're going to have a forest fire, first we have to have a forest. Now Cabbie's going to take off and fly over the forest, where you can see the big fire that was set by the Angry Bird pigs. Cabbie's flying overhead and the smoke jumpers are going to jump out of the cargo hold of Cabbie. Here they go. First is Blackout. Then comes Avalanche. And finally is Drip. Drip may be the last one out, but he's the first one to go to work getting rid of those Angry Bird pigs that started that forest fire. Then Blackout gets rid of the other Angry Bird pig. And Avalanche comes in to push away all the forest fire. The fire is out and all 3 smoke jumpers can now go home. If you liked this video, be sure to check out our other videos for Planes, Fire and Rescue toys. And if you had fun watching, Please subscribe to ToyLabTV